For some clients, I work in a different way. In this particular client, I really like to work with elevations and sections which do the whole thing. So you can see here, I've cut a plan and I've used the 3D model to give me the overall shape of the building. Then I start to build up the detail in the section. Why do I do that? Because I can grab that information and I can then use that to make a detail for it. So this section here, I then make sure that everything's going to work. I know that my flashing will work, I know that my windows will work, and I'll be able to work through that section properly. There's my roof detail. So I've taken some of these roof details and I'll draw them in this level of detail. Now also notice that when I draw these, I draw them so that the objects are separated. Now some parts I import from the manufacturer. So this barge flashing here I actually imported from the manufacturer. This is the way they want it to work. It's got a clip fixing system and they rivet it to the roofing here. But notice that I've given a little bit of white space between that material and the next one, and between that flashing in here and between that piece of timber. And so I've taken a whole lot of steps to try to make sure that my flashings and my objects are readable. They're separated. Indeed,